Hi guys, welcome to my channel. MediaTek Bluetooth not working and suddenly disappearing means disconnecting. It's removed from the taskbar. So how to fix it? So first guys click to start, type services services.msc. After that press Bluetooth. Scroll down. You can see Bluetooth support service. Double click to open it. So if it is working, then you can click to start and then again click to start. But before that you have to select the automatic. Okay, then apply and then click to OK. Then again select the Bluetooth support service and then left hand side restart options there. Okay, so okay, and then close it. Then guys, next check the device manager. So click to start, type device manager, open it, first one, then find out the Bluetooth. So you can see this is Bluetooth. Extract this, select this is Bluetooth wireless. Okay, and right click to uninstall it. Do not check this box, only select to uninstall. After that it will uninstall and it will remove from there. No worry. After that click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. Then it will come back again. Then extract this, then select the wireless Bluetooth and click to update driver and then update. After that close it. Then guys, then open in browser Google search box to type MediaTek Bluetooth driver. So you can download official website, like this is Microsoft, this is Asus, this is Lenovo. So open it any only official website. So this is MediaTek. Okay, scroll down, MediaTek Bluetooth driver. Okay, and click to download. After that it will start. Windows 11. So it's required the serial number of your laptop. So go to back. Say same thing in there in the Dell laptop and click to download. After that it will start. And if you are using this any manufacturer company like Dell laptop, Lenovo, HP, so you can download the disk driver from the official website. Then it is completed, then click to open it, then click to install. You can see MediaTek Bluetooth driver successfully installed. Okay, and then close it, then close. Then guys, next click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage, and when it is completed 100%, then need to restart your system. Okay guys, thank you.